All right, WMC, this is the video to randomize our unpicked teams for tonight's break number 9, which is one of the MLB triple plays. So we'll check the time, March 28th at 6:19 p.m. I'm going to go over to the break and type live. And we have March 28th at 6:19 p.m. There is the list of our... fudge. All right, hold on a minute. Since I'm live here, I forgot to take out the teams that were picked. Bear with me 1 minute here. Cubs were gone. I don't want to start the video over since I said I was live, so bear with me 1 second here. The Mets are gone. The Red Sox are gone. There we go. The Dodgers are gone. All right. The Brujas are gone. Oops, big win today. The Reds are gone. The Tigers are gone. The St. Louis Cardinals are gone. And who is it? The San Francisco Giants. All right, so there is our list of 20 unpicked teams. We're just going to randomize this list, and we'll match it back to our entry list. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 5. All right, 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we will get the team list posted. You guys can trade teams if you like. And then we will see you at 7 for the break.